These are Brett's attempts on getting good scores before he starts getting really silly drunk.
And the cops took him home constantly.
You gotta take Zayton's record. Is it Zayton that took the record?
So he was always being like taught
4, I think.
by cops or whatever. So my parents were just like, you cannot control you. Get out of here. So they kicked him out. And I was like 5 at the time.
Double step that?
So like I didn't know. And I rarely see him now. So it's just like, I'm 22. Yeah. So like, almost 23. And you're 34. You drink.
You're 35? You're 35. Good God.
What do you eat? Tell me what you eat. I'll be good.
I think I got a grade somewhere. I turned around.
Hot cheese is actually really good. Like, I know this sounds like a total creeper line, but like, did you work out? What?
Hey, look, it's where you get a grade usually.
I have no excellence.
You almost beat your score from like 2 years ago.
Okay, I got one.
With a way off.
One.
Those weren't me. Look at that shit, dude.
Just say damn.
Damn. Say whoa, nigga, damn.
Whoa, nigga, damn. She needs to say it. Say it. Just say it. Damn.
Shout outs, anybody, or you just.